Happy Saturday morning, May 9th. We're in Orange City, Florida this morning. Last week, the governor of Florida, Ron DeSantis, opened the Florida state parks back up again. And we are currently in line to get into Blue Spring State Park, one of our favorite parks. They are opening at 50% capacity today, and even when they hit capacity and folks leave, they're not gonna let more people into the park. And we're back. First time in the last 2 months. The campgrounds are still closed. They are allowing you to swim while you're here today. We're not going to be doing that. Heading up and around. Cars behind us veered off, I think, towards the Springhead swimming area. And we're in. You're like pretty much one of the only ones here so far. The bathrooms are open, drinking fountains are closed, picnic area is open, playground is closed. So one of the reasons why we came out here today is because we bought an inflatable kayak prior to the world going crazy. We've never taken it out. I wanted to be able to get it out on the water today. We've got people fishing out here already. Looks like they're doing the river cruise here today too. Huge splash over here. Oh, the huge manatee. There's manatees out here. There's one. Another guy swimming over there. Here's another one. And here's another one. Swimming up by where the people are in the water. Folks on the swimming pier or dock over here. I'm not getting that close. I'll head further up towards the Springhead on the trail here. Snorkeling out here. We've reached the end of the road. Springhead. Got a little bit of a spider web happening in the tree here. If you guys could smell, you'd know that there was a skunk nearby recently. Heading back down and we've still got manatees. I came back to the van. What I am going to do for the first time today is attempt to launch this Explorer K2 from Intex We picked this up a couple of months ago. Runs about 80 bucks or so on Amazon. But you can certainly pick this up at Academy or other sporting goods stores as well. And so what essentially is in the box is just the bag, and what's in the bag is the kayak, a pump, and a couple of oars. Alright, so we've unpacked the kayak. It's not as light as what you would think it would be. We've got the pump. This is it, mostly blown up. I didn't put a seat in it yet. And we have to put a little fin on the bottom of it still too. And here we go, fully assembled. Alright, we've made it out. Maiden voyage of the SS Seats. Let's head down that way. This is taking on a different look now. People out on their boats. And it is gonna rain later. Floating out along, boat's passing me. I got a dog on the boat. I need a dog to be cool. Check this out though. Whew, it is beautiful. And it really makes you forget about everything that's happening outside. I've never seen this little house over here before. Dare we venture into alligator land? We're drifting. Birds. Got a bird over here. More. A little bit upriver. I've got some guys fishing over here, so I'm not going to get much closer. I'll turn around and go the other way. Lots of boats out here today. And I gotta be honest, I'm not quite sure where I ended up over here. More vegetation. More alligators. Got some Spanish moss. Let's see if you can see what's underwater. See anything good? Look at this guy. That's where we came in. Let's go a little bit over this way. Birds. Now we're in the part of the park that we normally go to. Those are usually places where we stand off and check out the manatees. No motorboats or fishing are allowed up this way, but you can kayak or canoe. It's so cool to see this stuff close up. We've got a manatee right here. Oh my god. Two of them. Oh my god. Look at him go. I got bit by a bar and now my foot's bleeding. I'm so serious. He did. That was the coolest thing ever. Now just kind of drifting along here. I love it. What a beautiful day. So someone said hello because they recognized me from the channel while I'm in a kayak at the park. And they were in a kayak. That's probably the weirdest place that someone said hello, but recognized me from spooky stuff. So thank you for saying hello. And in the meantime, the huge manatees are coming this way again. Just drifting away here. But I think this may be a call to the end of the day. It's getting a little overhead cloudy here. Not to mention there's a giant boat that's coming in behind me. I'm gonna get up on the shore. So that's gonna do it for me at Blue Spring State Park. The Intex Explorer Kayak Inflatable, awesome. It was just awesome. I cannot wait to go many more places and be able to have that in the trunk of the car, van, and ready to go. It seats two. Obviously it fit one today. Perfect. I was able to put a dry bag in between my legs also, and just awesome. Awesome being able to get out by the springs and seeing the manatees around us as well. Just a beautiful, beautiful morning. It was not as easy to deflate as it was to inflate, if that makes any sense. The two sides have quick release air valves, which allow for like immediate release of air. And then the cushions, as well as the front end and the back end and the main floor of the kayak, have smaller tubes that you gotta kind of either press down or put something in it to make the air deplete. And then when you're putting it away, it kind of, you know, has the remnants of either waterish type stuff or sand and everything in it too. But highly recommend, and great for portability. The park itself is getting a little crowded right now, and to be quite honest, there's not a lot of people either wearing masks in areas on paths that you got to cross each other, and that's a little concerning. And people swimming all together now as well. But it's not for me, maybe for you, but for me, I'm gonna head home and say we kept off a pretty awesome morning. So thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day. We'll see you guys.